We are going to cut here and here. We are back in the car with the radio all wired up and connected. We're going to be using this audio bank monoblock and this crossover. This is a IS power monoblock that delivers 190 watt RMS at 4 ohm, 310 watt RMS at 2 ohm, 500 watt RMS at 1 ohm. The crossover is nothing much to write home about. It's an audio bank 3X model. As you can see, is heavily modified. To fully connect the radio, we have to remove this whole assembly. Since I don't have a 4-channel amp, I only have a monoblock. All of my door speakers and the speakers at the back have to be connected directly to the tape. So this is what I'm basically doing here. I'm just connecting the speakers, mainly the 6x9s that are at the back and the door speakers that I have in the front. So just making sure that they are all connected up. So they will be connecting to the stock tape, and then we'll be connecting the bass just to give us that thump. It's not a full sound system, but it's something to make me enjoy the music a little bit more and enjoy the drive a little bit more while I'm here in this car. In terms of the climate controls, so I'm planning on moving them to the bottom section where the ashtray normally sits. That's where I'll put the climate control. But for now, they'll just stay behind this, behind the ashtray cover. So I've wired up the switch to turn on the fan and make sure that I don't have missed. I wired up that button and put it in one of the empty spots on the buttons on the dashboard. Right now, everything looks like a wire nest, but everything will be tidied up, after securely connecting it and making sure that no wire will touch another wire. Because what I saw in here was actually ugly. I saw some stuff that is used for electrical systems inside the house being used in here. So I'm actually planning on fixing this thing correctly at some point in future. But for now, just make sure I have a working radio with Bluetooth.